Hello YouTube. Today I will be showing you how to code HTML. Soon you'll be making awesome websites like this. Today I will be showing you paragraph, bold, and italicized text. And that's my actual website. Go to it if you get a chance. If you're on this saying, well, what in the world is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And what HTML is well, you're about to find out. And we're actually just going to be working with those in my tutorials. And we're actually going to be working with those a ton in these tutorials. That's what's known as an image. Not important for now. Later on I will be talking to you about what an image can do. Later in one of my later tutorials. And if you're doing this for your teacher, do not ever quote me. Just use the codes that I teach you and you'll be okay. And if you're doing this for your boss, tell him that you learned all about it. Okay, now getting started we'll just wait for a little while. By a little while, I mean until I get into the text editor. Oh, and pay no attention to those errors. They're just little chat errors. Okay, now we're in the text editor. There are a ton of different key concepts that you need to know. First, you need to know that you need a text editor. A text editor is what lets you go in and do the code. Next, you need a doc type. Now, you can have a public doc type, or you can have a doc type like mine. Mine will be really basic. I'm starting to wonder if I'll get to typing. Taking a while. Okay. Yeah. Doc type HTML, or if you want to be real specific, there's like doc type public. If you really want to get into that, go to my XHTML XHTML tutorials. And if you're wondering if I'm trying to copy Bucky Roberts, I'm not. Oh, yeah, also, you need an HTML tag. Giving myself a ton of space. Next, you need another ending HTML tag. And also, what you need to remember is a lot of tags have a finishing tag. That's because, well, I don't know why that is. It's kind of like closing out of tags. Closing tags. Closing out of tags. How convenient. Okay, and right now we're not going to be doing much in the head. If you want to learn more about what's in the head, I suggest strongly on going to my CSS and CSS3 tutorials, which right now are non-existent. but soon they will be. If you can see, title, head, all of this has an end to it. You're starting to see a specific pattern here. And that pattern is that everything goes into the HTML thing and the doc type. Okay, right now I'm just going to give you a brief thing on what it is. You may say that head is a child of HTML, and HTML is a child of doc type, and doc type is a child of file. Then you have title as a child of head, and in the title hi is the child of title. Oh, and here's the body. You need that also. Never go on without not using the body. And that's pretty embarrassing. I actually just did that. I need to move that down a lot to 49. Line 49, that's a good line. 50 lines. And if you're wondering why 50, it's just there. Don't ask. I just gave myself a ton of space. And again, head, body, body. And what I'm going to teach you about right now is different types of tags. First one is going to be the paragraph tag. Can you guess what it does? It creates a paragraph. And it's also a matching tag. I don't know. I don't know what they're called. Never quote me. Never quote me. That's why I said never quote me. I just entered some random text in there. I am a paragraph. Yay! And go down, and I'm actually saved after this. Save. Okay, what in the world is going on right now? I have a bunch of different files. Need to go up. Up again. And save. Yes. Okay. Now, I need to actually launch. And as you can see, I'm a paragraph. Yay! And, we'll be getting into that later. So, basically what it said is, okay, this is a paragraph tag. Whatever is inside of it, we're going to make into a paragraph. And that popped up. Okay. And if I go down to the bottom left to the easy recording thing, that's just because I'm checking how much time I have left. And I had 32 minutes left then. So, time to get technical. Okay, just wait for a little while. Okay, I'm back. Sorry I took so long. Not really. I am a italicized tag. again, all of these are matching. I am a paragraph, I am a bold tag, and I am an italicized tag. Guess what it will do? Again, it's white space. Okay, now I'm going to explain. It's white space insensitive, which means it doesn't sense all of those spaces in between. If you think that it'll all be on one line, you'll be much surprised. That paragraph and the bold tag are the only things that are going to be separated. And see? Told you. All of that and the paragraph is considered a white space itself. And then as you can see, paragraph, and that's a bold tag, and that's italicized. That became italicized. And oh yeah, and that high thing that I did for the title is now up there also. And I'm reaching the end, so 12 minutes is around.